Good morning students. In this video I am going to explain about how in HTML you can create the tables. Actually table is a structure having rows and columns intersected with each other to form the cell, and in cell we can put the any kind of data. So if we want to put any tabular form of data in a HTML, we should have to create HTML. You should have to create the table in HTML. So what are the different tags and what are the different attributes that will be used to create the HTML? Today I am going to describe one by one. So in this part of the video you have seen here that this is the format of HTML table in which the HTML head, title, head, body. So the tag, the basic tag which is used to create the table in HTML is table tag. So here I am starting from the table tag. This is the table tag having their attributes. These are the different attributes which is used with the table tags. That is, the first one is the border, which creates the border around the table. The second one is the width, which increases or decreases the width in the pixel format. The third one is the height, which increases or decreases the height in the pixel format. And this is the border color. You can also put here BG color to give the, so I think blue here, to give the background color of the cells in the table. So what is the basic tag used for the table, for creating table? That is the table tag. Here is the table starting from the table tag, which is associated with the different attributes and their values that I have put here. Now comes to the in a tabular form of structure. Firstly we have to use the tr tag. So keep in mind, we use to create the table is, first one is the table tag, second one is the tr tag, that means the table row, third one is the th tag, that is the table header, and fourth one is the td tag, that is the table data. So four tag is basically used to create a basic table structure. The first one is the table I have used here, and with their attributes that I have mentioned here. And the second one is the tr tag, which is used to create the row. So because the table is basically created by the rows and column structure, so first we have to after the table tag we use the tr tag, then we use the th tag, which gives the heading of the table. Okay, this is on the upper side, that is used to basically heading part of the table. So we use the table heading, that is the th. So in this case I am going to write I have write here that roll number and then th tag close. So this is a container tag which is closed with their slash. Okay, now th tag and the roll number, name and marks. So they are creating three columns with the use of the th tag. Okay, th tag is basically used for the table heading. Now since we used to open the tr tag, so we have to close here the tr tag. Now if we start to add some text in the cell of the table, then we use again tr tag, and the td tag is basically used to feed the contents in the cell of the table. So td stands for the table data, and in this table data I have just used the td and the roll number, that is the roll number starting from 101, and td close, the td starts, and the name corresponds to this. The name is defined here in the second column, so I am just defined here the second column in the name Ram, and td close, third one is the td open, and the marks, then their marks. So this is the one record that I have put in the table. Now you can, in this way you can just give lots of records. So I have written the two records of the roll number 101 and roll number 102. Similarly I have closed here the tr tag, and then for the again repeated records, again another records that I have used the repeated tag, that is the tr tag. So tr tag open here, and the td tag starts here to put data in the cell of the table. So I have just written here the roll number 102, and the td tag closed, the td tag opened, and the name that is the Mohan, and the td tag open, and 89 is its marks. Then finally close the tr tag of this particular column. Now lastly I have closed the table tag, body tag, and then finally HTML tag. So this in this particular HTML structure, you are just seeing that we use the table tag with their attributes like border, width, height, border color, and their busy colors. Okay, now we use the tr tag to create the table row, we use the th tag to create the table header, and we use the td tag to create the table data. So basically 4 tags you have to remind, that the table tag, tr tag, th tag, and td tag, and all these are the container tag that we must have to close it. So I have just created this simple table like structure in this part of the HTML, and I am just save it, and going for the refresh it. Here you see here that there is the tabular structure. We find that we have a roll number, name, and the marks. This is the table header, and their corresponding their roll number, that is 101 Ram and 78, and 102 its roll number Mohan and 89. This is a tabular format having the busy colors and their border colors placed here. Okay, so I hope so that you can understand the table structure of the HTML, and you will able to create the tabular format. Okay, thank you, and hope for the next video I am going to describe all the different attributes and possibilities to create the table structure in different formats. Thank you very much, all of you.